In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your to read or to watch lists using Todoist effectively. We all know how overwhelming it can be to keep track of everything you want to read or watch. So today we'll make that process more organized and straightforward. Let's jump right in and start creating a system that works for you. First off, let's open Todoist and get started by creating separate projects. This will help you maintain a clear and organized space for your reading and viewing lists. In Todoist, click on Add Project. Now name one of your projects to read. You can also create another one and call it to watch. This simple segregation helps keep your tasks neat and focused. To add a bit of fun and make these projects visually appealing, consider using emojis. For example, a book emoji can represent your reading list, and a film strip or clapperboard emoji can indicate your watching list. Next up, let's talk about how to add tasks for each item. For each book, movie, or series you plan to engage with, create a task in the relevant project. This step is about breaking down your list into manageable portions. Add the title of each book or show as a task. You can further enrich this by optionally including a short note. This could be a brief synopsis or perhaps a key reason why it piqued your interest in the first place. These notes are particularly handy if you like to recall what drew you to the item, or if you frequently share recommendations with others. Once you've set up your tasks, it's time to prioritize and set due dates. Todoist offers a handy feature with its priority levels, ranging from P1 to P4. Use these to decide what you want to read or watch first. Setting priorities not only helps in managing your time better, but also ensures that you're always engaging with content that currently fits your energy and interest levels. Let's also consider due dates. While your lists might not always need strict deadlines, it can be beneficial to suggest a flexible time frame. Maybe you decide to use a due date like next weekend or in 2 weeks. This kind of scheduling can be particularly helpful for time-sensitive materials or anticipating when you'll have free time. Remember, setting a due date doesn't mean you're locked into anything rigid, but it does provide a gentle reminder to keep your lists flowing. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your reading and watching lists with Todoist. By organizing your projects, creating detailed tasks, and setting clear priorities and optional deadlines, you're well on your way to a more structured and stress-free content consumption experience. Thank you for tuning in and happy organizing.